guys, welcome back to my channel Majesty. So today we're going to shoot something very unusual, something that I've never done before in my channel, which is cooking. I'm going to cook and share a special ramen recipe of mine today with you guys. Ramen is actually one of the most favorite dishes. The ramen recipe I'm going to share with you guys is the kind of way I like to cook ramen. It's not an authentic recipe of ramen. It's just the way I like it. So without any further ado, let's get cooking. Oil into the pan. Slowly start pouring in the chicken. So I'm leaving some of the sauce in my plate, so I can use this later on with the ramen. So I'm going to increase the heat. So as the chicken becomes brown on the outside, I'm going to take this off from the stove. Now I'm going to start cooking the actual ramen. So I'm going to pour 2 tablespoons of oil and spread it around my pan. And while this heats up, adding my first ingredient, where I finely chopped 1 small onion over here. I'm going to pour all of this. The reason why I'm using onion, because a lot of people won't use this because this is my recipe. I want to use onion because the broth actually becomes thicker because of the onions. Stir fry this until this turns golden brown. This has almost turned golden brown. Now I'm going to start pouring the green onions. Lots of them. I love green onions. So now I'm going to start pouring my third ingredient, which is 1 tomato, which I finely diced and chopped almost into a puree. So I'm going to pour this in. The reason why I'm using an entire tomato is because I want my broth to be really juicy and very thick. That's just how I like my ramen. I'm going to pour the soya sauce, which I basically use to marinate my chicken, right into the pan. And I'm also going to pour the spices of the packet of the ramen, half of it, not all of them. So I'm going to cook the vegetables and the tomato until this melts down. And I'm going to pour my boiling water into the pan. I'm going to add a bit of white pepper and a bit of salt. I'm going to add the sauce of the mama noodles. Mama noodles. So I've torn the packet. So this is the packet of mama noodles that you need to use if you want to make this recipe. It simmer for a while. Now I'm going to add my noodles. Our free ingredient for today is lemongrass. So I'm going to take a bit of this and pour more water. And I'm going to take some sriracha sauce and add it. And I'm going to add the rest of the spices that I have here in the packet and the chili flakes, which also comes within the packet. So I like my ramen to be extra spicy, so I have infused chili over here. I'm going to add all of this. Yes. I'm going to add a bit of coriander. And now I'm almost done cooking my ramen. Actually, I'm done cooking. And I'm going to serve it in my plate. My chopsticks. Done. Ready to eat. Yum yum. So that was my recipe. That was my personal recipe, my take on ramen noodles. So I hope you guys are going to try this out at home and let me know how you guys like it. And also, if you guys do cook this recipe, don't forget to take a picture of it and tag me on my Instagram. I'll link my Instagram handle right over here or over here on the screen. And also don't forget to leave a thumbs up on this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel Majesty, and I'll see you on my next one.